What's up, folks? Man Mason here, and welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about 5 important nodes in Script Canvas that you might find useful. Script Canvas is a new visual scripting tool inside of Lumberyard. It's fairly new, and a lot of times there's not a lot of documentation from the things in Lumberyard because things are still being created, things are still in preview. So I thought I would start doing these type tutorials to help you guys out. This tutorial series can span a number of videos. I might turn 5 into 10 just to kind of get things out the way, but for now let's stick with 5 and let's talk about 5 useful ones, although basic, that are helping your game development journey. Number 1, on graph start. It's kind of self-explanatory. This is your equivalent to on activate in Lua or the start function from Unity, and so on and so on. Anything that you want to do at the start of your entity's life cycle, you place it here. You want to set values, you want to set the health, you want to set the mana or the stamina, you do it here. Very useful, and it's one that you should get to know very well. It can be found under the Utilities tab in the Node palette. The second one is very similar, which is the on tick, which is also self-explanatory. This one is called every frame, which is used for things that needs continuous updating, such as health regen, mana regen, checking against a variable to make sure you don't miss it, and a number of other useful things. This can be found under timing and tick under the node palette. The next useful node is the print node, which is very useful for debugging, trying to figure out if things are being called, printing to the console when you don't have a lot of entities moving around in the editor. You can set custom values, and it's just overall useful in the arsenal of a developer who's programming a game, or anything really. This next one is more of a collection of nodes, which is your tag system, a very powerful system inside the Lumberyard game engine, which allows you to add and remove tags at runtime via code or script canvas, allows you to check against a tag, allows you to see if an entity has a tag, allows you to connect to the tag eBus to check if a tag was added or removed, and providing logic per that condition. So a very powerful system to get things done inside the engine. And last but not least is the input node. Can't really do anything inside the engine if you don't have input. If your character can't move, or if you can't call things via a button press, then you're kind of out of luck. So this is one node that you definitely have to get used to. Definitely should make use of it. You have your input handler, which allows you to call your inputs via your setup of the input binding, along with adding logic based on if the button was held, if it was pressed when you release it. Very powerful, very standard, and very crucial to a game's completeness. Well, there you have it. 5 important nodes inside the script canvas that you guys should know about. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know below in the comments. Give the video a like. Give it a subscribe if you really liked it. Don't forget to join the Discord. If you have any questions, you need to reach me at different times of the day. I'm readily available over there. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering on your projects. And until next time, keep developing.